know my head is a mess. Thinking about you got me stressed, but you could probably care less. You're just so hard to impress. And I'll go, it's not enough.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a unit by Zury Sis. The unit I have name is Ari, and it is in the color sombre. I think it's wine violet. It is a burgundy color. This unit is a mixture between yaki and silky. It's not really silky, but it's not too yaki. It has two combs on the side of the part, and it has lace in the front, two adjustable straps in the back, and a comb in the back. It is a very, very thick unit. It's very nice. I like the parting area. I will go in and pluck out a little bit of hair out of the parting area, and I'm going to style this unit a little bit different. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of hair out here, as you can see. I'm gonna put a little bit of got to be glued on there. I like that. I like the way it goes with the middle part. Now let's brush it. Okay, and that's cute. Like I said, if you change the way that the unit is meant to go, then you will have to move around how the back is going to be. And let's just give this some height. So let's just go in, of course, and spray it with this spray. And that's just gonna give it some height like that on the side. So that'll kind of stay. Same thing on this side. Oh yes, girlfriends. I don't forgot who told me to give them a middle part, but here you go. Your middle part is on. Might get your meal paid for. I don't know, girl, but it's kind of cute here. Now this piece here is kind of giving me problems. I think I'll spray it because you know I believe that this stuff is magic, which it is. So since I shifted it to the middle and didn't have it on the side, it kind of knocks out the hair in the back. So let's see how it looks. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it. Not sure how it's coming off on camera in the back, but it's a little bit heavier, but you probably could just pin it underneath so it can give the illusion all the way around. But this is cute. This is really cute. I love it. And it's funny because I'm gonna insert the blonde one, and that one, because of the color, it looks like two totally different wigs. It doesn't even look like, you know, the same wig. So I think my lipsticks is just a little bit too much. So if you like this unit, okay. So as you see, this unit had hard lace. I think the part looked good. I did go in and clean it out some. Excuse me, I burnt myself. But other than that, I think this unit's cute. It's really cute. So this is the final look for this unit. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already and you are watching this video. What are you waiting on, girlfriend? Why haven't you subscribed to the channel? I told you I'm going to keep bringing you excellent content, bringing you reasonable wigs. So subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I always worry about you. I only tell you the truth. I'm not like those other girls. I don't be acting brand new. Oh, every time that we go out, you do something to show out. Play the fool, but I know now.